How to check current password on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find different options. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll find Google Password Manager. Click on it. Now in here you'll find different options. Simply search for Facebook and click on Facebook. Verify it's you, then you'll find this kind of screen. You can simply click on the I button and you will be able to view your Facebook password. And this is how to check current password on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.